Hi beautiful, welcome back to another Lita video. I need to pick the kids up from school soon, so I'm gonna try to get through this video, but I'm really excited because I ordered a mystery package from Maniology, and I have never tried their products, so I figured I would order the mystery package and see what they sent and kind of make it like into a little surprise. I saw, let's see, ABZ Beauty, her channel, she did a video on a mystery package, and I was like, yes, I need that in my life. I like the things that she showed, but I wanted to try the mystery package so that they can surprise me. So I'm really excited about that. What's this? Oh, they have little came with little creative stickers, instructions, peel in place. So that's that. And I might have showed my address. If I did, I'm gonna cut that. I cut that out. So it says here, it says hot mystery deal, 10 items for 15. Oh yeah. 10 items for $15. Random assortment of stamping plates, polishes, and other nail art goodies. Original values at $50. This is going to be really good. Start with this. It's nicely packaged. Oh Lord, yes, yes, yes. Sorry. Okay, first, let's start with these cute little stickers. I think they're stickers or decals, maybe. Yeah, no, they're stickers. Very pretty. Look at like little aliens and flying saucers. So cute. And then these are what, like holographic strips? So pretty, look at that. Beautiful. And then we have these. Very nice for the fall or the summer. Some of these are kind of like, have little tropical vibes. They sent me stamping plates. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay. So we start with this one. This one is the Chick Peek. Very pretty. And you got these little hibiscus flowers. This little tropical, kind of like a palm tree leaf. I think that's and then all of these. Kind of like a foresty theme. Got that one. I'm gonna put these here. Got that one. And then this one is Winter Kingdom. So pretty. Look at this one. It's like just like a little queen. I don't know if you can see that. You got a castle, these little diamonds and jewels. Very pretty. That one. And this one is Polina's Passions. So Maniology by Polina's Passions. Oops. You got a little dream catcher, some flowers, roses. Got a little marbling effect. These are so pretty. Love, 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 love. Yeah, I've been wanting to get more stamping plates, and then I got green. So that's gonna look pretty. Yeah, so it should be like a green tinted chrome effect. So you put it on the nail over the top coat. and it'll give that green hue. Very pretty. And then these. So this is what ABZ Beauty was talking about, the stamping polishes. She said that they're really good. So it's the stamping polishes. Swatch me. So you got this green, this one's Food Fight. This one is Flash Dance. It's very pretty. Obviously I like all colors. And this is Jazzercise. Very pretty blue. So this is awesome because I don't have any of these. Matter of fact, I don't have any stamping polish. So I'm excited to try these. But yeah, this color is very pretty. Let me see something. Wow, look at that. Nice and opaque. This green. And then the blue. So pretty. Yep. So that is everything. I got the 3 stamping polishes and the 3 stamping plates. Which, guys, these things, they're pretty pricey on their own. And for 15 bucks, I got all this stuff. And I got this chrome effect, iridescent chrome effect, stickers. You got your holographic strips. I don't know. If you guys know what these are called, please let me know. And then these cute little stickers. Yeah, so I loved everything. Check them out, guys. I will leave a link if you're interested. And yeah, or go check out ABC's Beauty's video. She has a link for their polishes. Go check her out, show her support, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.